Hey everybody, it's Trevor and Katie here at Durango Harley-Davidson, wishing you a happy 2023. We hope all of you guys had a great Christmas break and excellent holidays. 2023 has already started off fast and furious, and we're really excited. As always, we've been working hard to make sure we've still got the largest selection of new and used Harley-Davidson motorcycles in the entire Four Corners. Check out our website, durangoharley.com, to see all of our latest product. We've also got some really great January specials going on, which can all be found on our social media sites, Facebook or Instagram. So check that out and see some of the specials we've got going on this month in January. Some of the specials include a really great promotion on Vance and Hines products. So if you've been looking to upgrade the performance and power of your Harley-Davidson motorcycle, Vance and Hines is our choice for exhaust, air filters, and tuners. And we've got some great deals going on in the month of January. So come by, talk to one of our parts and service specialists and get a little bit more information on that. And we've already received our first truck of 2023 Harley-Davidson models. So Katie's going to talk a little bit more about the model release party later in the month, but we've got some of the carryover models showing up, some really rad new colors. If you get a chance, come by the dealership and check them out. We'll look forward to seeing you guys soon.
Yeah, thanks. And it's exciting for these new models coming in. And with that being said, I'm going to start with that event that we're having on Wednesday, January 18th at 9 o'clock in the morning here at the shop. That is the day that Harley-Davidson is going to do the worldwide launch of the new products for 2023. So we invite all of you to come and join us for this launch party, and we can all watch it together and see what's new for motorcycles, parts, accessories, motor clothes, everything for the new year. At 9 o'clock here at the dealership, we will have light refreshments, and we'll be entered to win a gift card if you come and watch the launch party with us. So put that on your calendar, January 18th at 9 o'clock here at the shop. Then before that, on Saturday, January 14th at 10 o'clock, we are hosting a riding gear workshop here at the shop. Caitlin and her team in Motor Clothes are going to do an awesome presentation on all the different types of riding gear that Harley-Davidson offers. And for all attendees who come, you have an opportunity to get 25% off a riding gear package of 5 riding gear items. So it's an awesome opportunity to get some good savings and come in and learn about all the different types of riding gear to keep you safe and for all weather. So we hope to see you on the 14th for that, and then on the 18th for the launch party. Also want to send out a reminder for those of you that may have gotten some gift cards from us for Christmas or the holidays. Come in. This is a great time to come and redeem those gift cards. We have lots of great product here in the store in all departments, so please don't forget and come redeem those gift cards. And also, if you are part of our Rider Rewards program, February 28th is the deadline to redeem all of your Rider Rewards points. Otherwise, they're null and void, and you have to start all over. So we don't want that to happen. So come in between now and February 28th and come and redeem those points.
Definitely. And you know, one of the really exciting things about 2023 is Harley-Davidson is celebrating 120 years of making the world's greatest motorcycles right here in the United States of America. So on January 18th at that launch party, we're going to get to see the 120th anniversary edition motorcycles, which we're all really excited about. It's also the 30th anniversary of the Four Corners Motorcycle Rally, and the team has been working around the clock to make sure that the 30th anniversary of the Four Corners Motorcycle Rally on Labor Day weekend is going to be one of the most epic weekends yet. We're really excited to carry on that legacy and that tradition. And then one kind of non-motorcycle related thing, but very cool, is on Tuesday, January 24th, there's a snowboarding company called Never Summer based out of Denver, and they're going to be doing a world premiere of a new movie that they came out with here at Durango Harley-Davidson. They're going to have a lot of really cool surprises going on with that. It is sponsored by Ska Brewery. And so if you're into riding snowboards in the winter and motorcycles in the summer like I am, we'd love to invite you to come and check it out. They're going to have some autograph sessions with some of their sponsored riders. It should be a really great event. Anytime you got Ska Brewing helping out an event, it's always a little icing on the cake. So again, Happy New Year to everyone. We can't wait to see you guys here at the dealership in 2023 and wish you guys all the best.